Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google account, which will actually be, it's a Gmail account. So you follow my cursor, go to your search bar and put in the words create a Gmail account, or you can put in create a Google account and hit enter. And you're gonna land on a page looking like this and click on create your Google account. When you click on that, you're gonna land on this page and simply fill out the information. So I'm gonna quickly do that here. So I'm gonna just a fake name. I don't know, Sam Handsome, and a username will be Sam Handsome 123. So the username is gonna be your Gmail. See, it's gonna be samhanson123@gmail.com. That's gonna be your new Gmail address, and you put in your password. And I suggest that you use capital letter, also lowercase letters and numbers, otherwise, and have at least 8 characters. And then go hit next. And oh, that username is taken. What do you know? Well, then I'll just put down 456 just to be on the safe side here, and click next. And you can save the password if you want to do that. It's asking you, but it's optional to verify this by phone and add a recovery email. I'm gonna add mine. Oh, put my phone in there. I'm not gonna verify by phone. Put in your information. This is totally random, just so you know. And one, I don't know, 76. And there you go. You have choices. And then you click next. And you're gonna have to agree to the terms and conditions. And just go scroll down and then click agree. And once you agreed, then you're set. Your Google account, I created this Google account. I'm gonna have to go and delete it now, but I wanted you to see how easy it goes. And if you want to be Google's friend, then you're gonna have to have a Gmail account. That's the best way. Well, it's good for your YouTube and all that. See, welcome, next. I'm just gonna click through this, and we have a brand new Google account, which is a Gmail account, where Google sent a welcoming email. And that's it, folks. Thank you so much. Hope that helped.